So let's say that I am in Safari and I'm doing some research on cars, or a student is doing research on cars, and they would like to be able to multitask and use another application at the same time. So if you swipe up lightly from the bottom or just a little bit slowly, you will see that the dock appears. So if there's a secondary app that you would like to use or you want students to use, you want to make sure that that's in the dock. I'm going to grab Google Docs and drag it onto the screen until the small rectangle appears, and then once it opens, you'll see that I've already created a brand new Google Doc. The nice thing is you can use this in a sharing format while it is in multitasking mode. So most students will see this view, which is called slide over, because if I take this application and slide it to the right, you'll see that it disappears and I can now interact with the main application, which in this case is Safari, or I can drag it back to the left and it will reappear. Now that is called slide over view. You can also drag and drop within slide over view. Let's say that I've taken some notes on cars, but I also want to add a photo. You can drag and drop in multitasking on iOS. So most student iPads can do the slide over view, which we see here. If I want to drag and drop and slide over, what I will do is put my finger on the image that I would like to have, and you'll see that it pops out of the screen a little bit. I then slide over the app, the second app that I was using, and continue to drag, and then I can drop this image into the dock. I can use this with Notes, I can use this with Google Docs, Pages, any application like that. Now on the teacher iPad and the brand new iPads that are being distributed right now, you can also do split screen. So this is called slide over, which is what the majority of our students can do. But you can also do split screen. So if I grab at the top and drag down and over, you'll see that I now have both applications running at the same time. Just remember that this is something brand new teacher iPads can do. Most student devices in the county currently cannot do the split screen mode. But what's nice is you can interact with both apps at the exact same time. You can also do this with the slide overview with the brand new teacher iPads.